Ya ka jing le kai semi final jong ka Durand Cup 2024 ka ba la up khami linti bha la ya le kai hapadeng ka shillong la jong FC but ka North East United FC ka la kutno hapadeng ka jing diaw na ka benta ka shillong la jong but ki nong karshan ki jong ka Henry ka jing it ya ka jing le kai football but ka bor jong ka ni ka jing le kai ban pinyetli ka yang rasong hanong ba shillong ha ka sngi le kai tungin ya khami ya ka ni ka khubor
Kakunhon yelekai North East United Football Club kala yo rum sha ka jing yelekai final hadin ba kala penliam no ya ka shillong lajong dalai lanot ha ka jing yelekai semi final kabala penlong haji and stadium ka North East United kabala lam da coach u Juan Pedro Benali ubala penpau ya ka jing kemen ka jong u halor ka jing job bat ula yaro ya ka Durand Cup kabalong kum ka jing pen kre na ka benta ka Limpung Indian Super League Ukut jong ka shillong la jong u Jose Hevia hababatay halor ka jingile kai ula ong ba ka jing sha penram jong ka kenhon kadai na ka daw ka jing bombyang ha ka rukom pass ball.
I think Durand Cup is the best place to get competition, to prepare yourself for the ISL. You know, friendly game doesn't give competition. Friendly game doesn't prepare the player mentally, doesn't put him in stress. Even if you come to see our training, we try to put stress on the players. That when the game comes, it's easy, you know. I think Durand Cup is fantastic, but this is football, as I say. It's not a law. Each coach thinks differently. You know what we say. If there's 150 million people watching football today, they have 150 million coaches. Each one thinks different. As I said, clean sheet. I paid dinner to the players. Now I own them 2 dinners. And I say thank you very much. They could score a one goal, but happy to do it.
However, I don't think there was a coordination problem today. It was they had 3 chances in the first half. They scored 2, and when you are 2 goals down, it's complicated to change the situation. But I think the team, till the second goal, the performance of the team was very good. Obviously, in the second half, with 2 goals down, it's very complicated to change. We had a lot of missed passes in the second half, and that's why we couldn't perform as we did in the previous match against East Bengal. But I don't think it was a coordination problem. I think so, from my point of view.
Hashwa jong ka jing le kai ka jing shong shit hapadeng ki nong kershan kalalong ka bajur. Da ka rukom yele kai bha jong ka kane ka kenhon yele kai jong ka jila kalala ban kring yaki shaji in stadium wat lada ladep pante lot yaki tiket. Henry om tang ha stadium kinong kershan ki alum ha kaleng ki benta jong ka shillong ban pet yak jing pen I live yak jing yele kai da ka ju hi ka jing shitram. Kani ka jo ka jing shong shit jong kinong kershan la sakhiru ha khandai lat kabala shlei de kinong kershan jong ka shillong la jong ki bathap kti hamman ki kenti ba ka shillong la jong FC ka yo ya kalat pathap kul wat la ka jing le kai ka klem kut kat kum ka jing ang not jong kinong kershan ka shillong la jong Henry kani kalala pat ban pen pau ya ka jing it ya ka jing le kai football ha kithan chate lam mi ngi Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.